In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the MBC-1000 Tester. The only way to know if a battery is good is to test it. Failed or discharged batteries are the #1 reason for unplanned vehicle breakdowns. The MBC-1000 Tester measures battery health and warns of possible charging and starting system issues. It's fast and accurate, lightweight and easy to use. It's app-based and uses both Bluetooth technology to automatically upload test data. It helps make clear recommendations to your customer. Before we start, there are a few checks we need to do on the battery. The first thing we want to look for is the condition of the battery and the area around it. Is there any damage to the case? Any cracks or leaks? If this is the case, do not test a leaking battery. We also need to check the battery terminals or posts for any corrosion which needs to be removed. Your pre-test checklist contains important safety and procedural steps. There are 5 steps involved in the battery testing process using the MBC-1000 Tester. Step 1. Connect the tester to the battery. For the MBC-1000 Tester to work correctly, you need to establish a good connection between the tester and the battery and ensure the tester connections have been correctly connected. Always connect the MBC-1000 Tester to the battery first, then open the app. Step 2. Log in to the app and connect tester via Bluetooth to your device. Step 3. Enter the job details and battery specifications. You need to input certain details before you start the test. Step 4. Now you're ready to start testing the battery using the MBC-1000 Tester and the app. You will see a series of screens which appear as the testing takes place. To begin, select Battery to run through the battery test first. The battery test result will be displayed. There is the option to share the results. Select the battery and system test. You will be asked if the vehicle is a hybrid. Select either no or yes. Select Start Test and follow the on-screen prompts. Step 5. Now that the battery and system test is complete, it's time to review the results. Selecting Share enables you to share results via email as required. Good battery. The battery has useful life remaining. Good and recharge. The battery is not fully charged but is considered to have useful life remaining. Charge per the manufacturer's specifications before returning to service. Suggest replace. The battery may be serviceable, but with decreased capability to start the engine. Charge and retest. The battery is to discharge to determine battery condition, state of health, with sufficient accuracy. Charge per manufacturer's specifications and repeat the test. Replace battery. The battery has reached its end of life. Immediate replacement is advised. Bad cell replace. When one or more of the cell fails, the battery is incapable of producing the amperage required to start the vehicle.